In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional headshot using ChatGPT's image editing features. To get started, open ChatGPT and make sure you're using a version that allows image editing or image generation. This is important because you'll need access to the tool that can analyze and transform a photo into a polished headshot. Once you're in, take a moment to prepare a clear photo of yourself. The better the original image, the better the result will usually be. Try to use a photo where your face is easy to see. The lighting is decent, and the image isn't blurry or heavily filtered. Next, upload your photo into ChatGPT. After the image is added, ask ChatGPT to create a professional headshot. Keep your request simple at first, then add the details that matter most. For example, describe the kind of outfit you want, such as formal business wear, business casual clothing, or something clean and professional for your industry. Then mention the background you'd like. A plain studio background, a softly blurred office setting, or a neutral backdrop are all common choices for a professional look. You should also be specific about lighting and style. If you want soft studio lighting, natural light, or a crisp corporate style, say that clearly in your prompt. These details help guide the final result and make the image feel more aligned with the purpose you have in mind, whether that's for LinkedIn, a company profile, a portfolio, or a personal brand. One very important instruction is to ask ChatGPT to keep your facial features natural and accurate. This helps preserve your real appearance and avoid an over-edited result. If your goal is a headshot that looks professional, but still recognizably like you, this part matters a lot. Once your request is ready, generate the headshot and review the image carefully. Look at the expression, the clothing, the background, and whether your face still looks natural. If something feels off, request changes. You can ask for adjustments to the lighting, a different outfit color, a cleaner background, or a more realistic facial result. Small revisions can make a big difference, so don't hesitate to refine it until it feels right. When you're happy with the final version, save your professional headshot. It's a simple process, but being clear with your instructions and reviewing the result carefully will help you get an image that looks polished, professional, and true to you.